you've actually done this before. So I went ahead and highlighted your nice little box for you. So all you're going to do is you're going to put this in your calculator. This is under Y1, and this one is under Y2. And then all you're going to do is do this. You're going to graph it. If they cross, that means we're looking for any point of intersection. If they cross, then you do second trace 5, enter, enter, enter. In which case you will get, I'm not just looking this time for X, I'm actually looking for both. So you'll see 1, 3 at the bottom. You're going to do the exact same thing for number 2. So pause the video, do it. Did you pause? I hope you paused and that you got this answer. Same thing, pause again, pausing again, looking for an answer, and your answer is 1, -8. So these ones, remember, all we're looking for is this point of where do they cross. So anytime I see like this point right here, that's where they would cross, right? So do I really need to put these two in my Y1 and Y2? Or can I just look for where they cross? If I'm just looking for where they cross, remember I start over here as 0, and I'm going to count over 1, 2. That means my X is 2, and then I go up 1, so it's a positive 1. So my solution I'm looking for is 2, 1. Same thing here. I'm going to go to the left, which means I have -1. And then I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3. And since I went up, it's positive. That's all there is to it. Because that's my solution. He said, she said task cards.
I already know the first one. The first answer. Well, that's the homework.
So all I did, I'm not on any page. This is not for you to write down. This is just for me to explain to you. I want to talk to you on what in the world you get. If you get all 100% correct with the explanations, I'm going to add 10% to Unit 4. You have Friday. Look at Friday. What's happening Friday?
Test.
Unit 4 test, right? Now, if you look at this, I'll cross that off because I don't really need this. So, let's say you get them 100% correct. But let's say you don't give me any kind of explanation, or you say just because. I need a good explanation if you want them all correct. I'm only going to give you 2% on Unit 4. That means you're actually going to have to do some writing and some work. If you just give me the correct answers, woohoo, I'll only give you 2%. Is there any questions on this? You cannot work together. If I see you working together, your option of whoever was talking, gone. Everybody understands this. If you are caught talking whatsoever, that means if I even think I hear you talking, because I'm looking for mouth movement as well. Looking for an answer.